Yes, back to our wonderful table. Okay, we have already performed so many special functions together. We started with index and until some ifs with wildcard right here. These are like 18 functions already. Huh? And I wanted to add that under tab help above the ribbon, just in case you need, you can go, by the icon help here. You can type normally. Right now they're telling me, sorry, something wrong, please check your network connection. And I know I'm connected, so that's strange. I'm connected. Normally I can give in some keywords like wildcards, and under the topic some if or some ifs, they're going to tell you how you can use wildcards and the details about wildcards. So just in case your help tab is tripping just like mine right now, you can also find some help under tab review and smart lookup symbol, search for definitions, images, web pages, and other results. So you can click right there and give in some some ifs wildcards, and then you can go and choose and read exactly how you can insert the wildcards, etc. This is also very, very helpful. Okay, let's move on. So let me go back to our last wildcard with some ifs. You remember we were looking for everything starting with W and containing E, and we made it right and we had a proper result. So today I want to do something else. As I told you before, we are starting the special functions, the financial ones, like the PMT, PPMT, the PV, NPER, and the interest portion. We are just going to do the financial one today, and the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, etc. We are going to do them later. Okay, let's start. Okay, we start with the monthly rate, the PMT function, the payment function. How we do that? So you enter in equal, always equal to start the function, of course, everybody knows that. Okay, first they're going to ask us for a rate. So we are just going to insert some ransom values. Let me give in 4% to begin with, and then we are going to slash it with 12 because we have 12 months in a year. Okay, now we have the rate. Now they're asking us for the NPER, which is the number of payment. So let's say 16 payment. Now they are asking us for the present value. The PV is the present value. Let's put in it something like 47,000. And then they want to know the period. And we want the beginning of the period. So we are going to choose 1 here. And then enter. And now we have a red value coming. Why? Because it's money going out. So we need to just go ahead and insert a minus in front of our function. And enter. And now we have it black. Let's bold this one again. Home. Okay. So our payment is going to be 330 Swiss francs. This is our monthly rate. This is how you calculate it. And just remember that it's always going to be the same pattern. And usually the values are given to you, like they're going to tell you the present value which you have to choose, or the rate. Normally when you have an exercise, the instructions are giving you the values you will be entering in your function. Now we just, run some values in it. So take a look at the function again, and it's always the same pattern. All you have to do is to just follow the steps. Okay, now we are good with our first function. Now the PPMT one. So equal, and we start writing PPMT, not 3 times. PPMT is a principal payment. Okay, as a rate, we are going to take a 4% again. You can take, 3.5 or 3.8, whatever values they give you to put in, or you just, find one. And we slash it again with 12. And now they want the period right now. So we know that the period we want is 1, just like the PMT before. And now again they want the NPER, and we are going to put the same thing, why not 16, and let's say 12 months again. And then they want the present value, and remember, what did we do before? I think that was 12,000, and that's it. And again, it's red because it's money going out. So we have to insert a minus in front again. And this is what we have now, 44.72. And, while you are performing the function, if you notice that the PPMT is bigger than the PMT, then you have a problem. Okay, here, I want to come back here. We did put 47,000, and here we have 12,000. Let's put 47, just like in the PMT, so that, why not? Okay, now we have 175 Swiss francs. This is our PPMT, this is our PMT. Let me highlight this one so we can see better. I'm going to do this one also yellow, and this one also yellow. So these are our value, PMT and PPMT. I hope you can see right. So we are good so far. Now let's move on. What are we looking for? Now we want to calculate the present value. So we insert PV, and then again the rate, let's take the same one, /12, and then again the NPER, let's put the same, 16 multiplied with 12. And then they are asking us for the payment value. Let's insert our payment value, this one. So we choose this cell, and then the future value, let's put 12,000 again. We all know that practice makes a master. The more you do it, the better. So equal NPER, you start writing NP, here, NP, and then you see it again. We choose it again, they want the rate. So let's use always the same rate, and slash it with 12 again, 12 months. And here now they want our payment. Let's use this payment again, and asking again for the present value, which is 12,000 for us. And I think now they want the period 1. And here you don't need no minus in front because it's the number of payments, so you don't need no minus in front. You don't need no minus in front, but the value is coming with a minus in front still. Why? Because in the payment value, which is our this one, our M18, in the function, as you can see here, you see, the M18 needs a minus in front because this is a payment value, you see. So we have to put a minus here in front and enter. And now we don't have the minus in front no more. So when you insert the payment value, you have to put a minus in front, or else your NPER is going to come out with a negative, and the NPER has no negative. It's the number of payments, so it's not like money going out. Okay, I hope you understand the way of thinking. Anyway, if you can count money and you want to count it better somehow, it's better to learn Excel Advanced. Now let's calculate the last but not the least, which is very easy to calculate. This one is going to be a simple subtraction. And then enter. This is our interest portion. Let's yellow this one and bold it. The thing is that here I want to remove some decimal because it's, you know, now it's 39 payment, 39, and interest portion 155, payment 330, PPMT 175, and present value 53,000. So you can try at home. I mean, this is really exercise. There is no magic, no tricks. It's more tips than tricks when it comes to Excel, because these are calculations. These are financials a lot of times. It's not like PowerPoint or, you know, Access. So we are done with our 5 financial functions of the day. So these are really made easy by me. And then I repeat, it's really exercising. All right, that's enough for today. Next time we're going to move on with VLOOKUP, the HLOOKUP, validation list. We already have performed it. The run between function is very interesting too, and the choose run between function with absolute reference is amazing. After that, I wanted to, you know, to do the average if, and average ifs. We can try, but it's not really, you know, for me, it's not that interesting to know the average and the average if and the average ifs. But we're going to try it and then move on with the PowerPoint advanced tutorials, trilingual this time, because we go back to our German exercises to be translated.